Choosing between Apple Password and Bitwarden, here's a simple 2025 comparison. Apple Password, built into iOS and macOS, offers automatic password storage, 2FA code autofill, and seamless syncing across Apple device. It's free, secure, and user-friendly, but limited if you're not fully in Apple's ecosystem. Bitwarden, on the other hand, is open source, cross-platform, and highly customizable. It works on iOS, Android, Windows, Linux, you name it. With Bitwarden, you get features like a secure notes, password sharing, and even the option to self-host. So, which is better? If you live in Apple world and want something easy and integrated, go with Apple Password. If you value flexibility, privacy, or work across different platforms, Bitwarden is the strongest choice. Both are secure. It just depends on your needs. That's it. Thanks for watching.